2 marks question. Many students will lose these 2 marks, so let's do it. A very important thing is the denominator here. Guys, whenever they give you this question, do not get confused, do not get scared. Think of this denominator. It's 3, yes. So we need to think of what number to the power of 3 is 8 and what number to the power of the denominator 3 is 27. 2 to the power of 3 is 8 and 3 to the power of 3 is 27. We got them. So instead of 8, I wrote 2 to the power of 3. Instead of 27, I wrote 3 to the power of 3. That's the first step. And keep the 4 over 3 up here. Just let it hang. Then cancel this. All these 3's will just go away. By what do we have left? Is 2 over 3 all to the power of 4. The law of indices says you can split this bar, so you'll have 2 to the power of 4 divided by 3 to the power of 4. That's enough? Nope. The question says work out the value. Don't leave it like that. What's 2 to the power of 4? It's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 4 times. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Divide by 3 to the power of 4. So 3 times 3, which is 9. And 3 times 3 is also 9. So it's 9 times 9, which is 81. And we got the marks. How was it? Was it easy? Let's look at question 18, circle theorem. It's a very nice question. Let's do it. Now,